again. All it took was one punch. Damn it! I will not play rock, paper, scissors with you! You've got a booger on your finger! Oh. What a dream.
Those who encounter any shaven-headed men on the street should leave the area immediately.
What? No. Bastards! Those thieves! They stole my look!
The boss man has become passionately curious about you and your body.
Too bad. I'm not interested in dudes.
This is the Class B hero, Saitama. His great talents will surely place him atop Class S, so we asked him to come.
Oh, hey there, middle-aged hero dude. Nice to meet you.
No handshake for you. I only acknowledge the strong. But someday, once you've climbed up to Class S, I'll greet you properly. Besides, I'm not middle-aged yet. I'm only 37 years old.
37 isn't middle-aged? I had no idea.
くれるの？ありがとう。何かニヤニヤし始めた。私と仕事できるのがそんなに嬉しいのね。これで埼玉も吹雪組ってことになるかしら。
食い逃げだー！
まだやってねー！誰か今の男を捕まえてください！
食い逃げとはなんて悪いやつだ。俺が追いかけよう。お前もポテト食ったよな。会計は頼んだぞ。
How curious. My hunt for a rat seems to have led me back to Master's apartment.
That's Genos at Class S. What's he doing here?
Master Saitama, apologies. I kicked up some dust around your home.
This is a little more than some dust, Genos.
You have connections with Class S heroes?
Huh? Oh, you mean Genos?
I am Master Saitama's disciple.
Is disciple?
Yo, Saitama here. Hey dude, did you take my game home with you?
King?
Oh, yeah. My bad.
I knew it. Hand it over.
Sorry, but...
It's no biggie. Just give it back.
Why are they talking like they're just friends?
今からちゃんと私の指示に従って動く。聞いてんの？ここに座って、今からみんなで作戦会議を開くわよ。
っていうかなんで来るの？
speed.
What are you doing? Hey!
Absurd! Carnage Capital retreating! If I attacked him just now, he would have killed me. Who the hell is this guy? He's leaving himself wide open. Yet all of my instincts are screaming, sending out danger signals.
What do you think of this speed that breaks the sound barrier? Of these shockwaves? Can you even see me? How can you possibly keep up with me?
Can I go home?
Bastard! Windblade kick!
Checkmate. Oops. Sorry. It's Saitama.
Saitama! Next time we meet, it'll be your demise! I, Speed of Sound Sonic, the ultimate ninja, will not rest until I have brought you down!
Go train hard.
I finally found you, Saitama. Today is the day we settle
Hey,
out.
sorry. I'm busy. See you around, okay?
Insolent worm! Think you can run from me?
Genos, you have to keep doing it. No matter how difficult it gets. It took me a full 3 years to get this strong. 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 squats! Then a 10-kilometer run! Do it every single day!
There's something I'd like you to see. What do you think? I wanted to show you how marvelous the martial arts are.
Yeah, I get it. Hurry up and give us the meat.
But if I fight them, there's a strong possibility they may get hurt.
What about the meat you promised?
Win the game and the premium meat is yours.
No.
What the? How's that? By sharpening every nerve in my body, I can react instantaneously. That is the very essence of martial arts.
Here you go.
Master!
You're not gonna fall on my town!
He shattered it! Unbelievable!
Don't you think mingling with the less thans is beneath us? And even if you were invited, a polite person would decline. The nerve! You're probably just here to get close to us Class S heroes. You disgust me. Get lost.
What's with the attitude from this lost child?
ねえ、なんであんたってそんなにツルツルなの？
だと今なんて言ったチビ野郎！
誰がチビよ！揚げ肉団子のマットポテトが！
おはようございます先生。それでその方の迷子は何をしているんですか？ああ、いい君ね。じゃあなジェノス。はい先生。
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go sleep little pet. Go to sleep, gone to sleep.